launching of new product, and our company is a sports company and it's named as Try, and this is our logo. And talking about the overview, our company is a sports company. We are selling skis, bicycles, foils and surfboards, and our company is owned by Tanya Garg, Yuki Gauchin and me itself. And this presentation is based on launching of new product where we will be discussing on sales, marketing, finance, etc. And talking about the strength, in this organization, I'll be handling the finance department, so I'll be the finance manager, whereas Tanya Garg.
I'll be talking about the day-to-day operation management, so I am the operation manager.
And Yuki Gauchin.
I'll be handling the sales and marketing department.
Thank you. Now, talking about the existing product in our company, we have done the market research and analyzed the environment in such a way and priced the product accordingly. And skis, we have made it moderate price and of moderate quality, whereas bicycle, we have made it cheaper as compared to our competitors, whereas foils, we have made it expensive but of best quality because we have observed that customers are demanding best quality foils. Similarly, surfboards, we have made it expensive but of best quality. Now I'd like to call Tanya Garg for launching our new product.
Thank you, Ritika. I'll be talking about the new product launch. As our 4 products have already reached to a success, so we are launching a new product, that is tennis. These are our best quality of our product. We provide customized rackets, which, like our customers, they can choose the rackets according to their preference. We have also provided 3 rackets, that is steel, aluminium and graphite. Most of the customers, they choose aluminium and graphite rackets because they are lighter in weight and easy to use. We have also distinguished our product between 3 age groups, that is children, women and men. For children, we have lighter weight rackets and of smaller sized. For women, we have different color rackets, and for men, we have heavier ones. We have also planned to provide different rackets for different levels of players. Like for beginners, we have different. For improvers, we have different rackets, and for advanced ones, we have different.
Now I would like to talk about why our company chose tennis as our new product. It is possibly because tennis is apparently a new sport in the Asian market, and it is also because of the growing number of tournaments that has been going on in the Malaysian market, like the Malaysian Open that was started in 2009 and the LTM Junior Tournament. And the other reason we chose tennis as our new product is because of the government itself promoting the sport, such as the Lawn Tennis Association of Malaysia is promoting tennis in such a way that it's encouraging the establishment of tennis schools, tennis clubs, and promoting junior tennis, which is in our favor. Now talking about our main competitors, it would be the AFN Sports, which is one of the biggest manufacturers of sports equipment in Southeast Asia. The other competitor would be Dunlop, which is the leading tennis equipment manufacturer for over 70 years. And our other competitors would be Wilson and Prince, which are multinational companies that are also sports equipment manufacturers. Now I'd like to call upon Tanya Garg.
Thank you, Yuki. Now talking about the response of competitors, if our product is successful, our competitors will make more advanced rackets. They will try to adapt to new styles and designs. Advertisement will be done on a heavy basis, and they can also even try to exploit our Asian market. Now I would like to call Ritika.
Now talking about the pricing and promotion, we have priced according to cost per unit. Like direct materials, we have priced it as $7, whereas framing and stringing is of $4, and direct labors is of $3, whereas total manufacturing cost per unit will be $14. And looking at the cost per unit, we have our selling price will be on average of $70, Whereas talking about the promotion, we are promoting it on various ways, like from sponsoring, trade fair, advertisement, and social media. In sponsoring, will be as many tournaments are being held in Malaysia and is going to be held, and we'll be sponsoring our product there. And in trade fair, we are going to launch our product or launch our product in like different sports fairs. And talking about advertisement, we are going to advertise our product through different like newspapers, televisions, pamphlets, posters, etc. And social media, we will be keeping the updates of our product. Running a manufacturing business, there are three categories. One is of sales marketing, second is finance, and third is operations. The sales marketing part will be explained by Yuki watching.
Now I'd like to talk about how we have learned quite a few things by running a virtual business in the Prosim. So in the sales and marketing prospect, we have learned how to promote our products to the market group and what to price the products. As per the market research, we found out that most customers wanted cheap bicycles, so we priced the bicycles as per the market demand. And for the skis, it was demanded by our customers that they wanted price as well as quality. So our message to them was price and quality altogether. Whereas for the foils and surfboards, our customers wanted the best quality product. So we did provide them with the best quality product, but we priced them a bit higher than the other products. As for the marketing, we chose social media since it's been the upcoming trend in the recent years for most businesses. And since most sports companies sponsor their products, and so did we with our products, and as well as sales promotion. Now I'd like to call upon Ritika Shrestha, Finance.
Finance, we have allocated the budget on market research and observed the environment, and accordingly we have priced our product. And we also came to know, after the research, we also came to know that how much product we are going to order from the suppliers, and we also decided on the marketing budget each month, so that our product can reach to the right customers. And we also learned to allocate the sufficient budget for the human resource management, so that we get to choose the best managers and satisfy the managers at work. Now I'd like to call Tanya for operation part.
Thank you, Ritika. Now talking about the operation category, as operation manager, we have decided who our suppliers will be. For instance, we have taken Kansas Inc. For skis and bicycles, which will supply us with moderate quality of materials, and Hendrix Co. for foils and surfboards, which will provide us with best quality of materials. We have planned to take this decision as according to our market research. Now I would like to call you.
Now I'd like to show you all our market research, and from here we can see the society's value, and clearly it can be seen that in skis, most people in the society wanted price and quality, whereas for bicycle, 21.0.5% of the society wanted cheap product. So as for foils and surfboards, it has the highest percentage in the best quality, which is 16.79%. And as for that, we have priced our product, and as you can see there. And from this you can see that Tri is in the Malaysian market is one of the dominating sports company. As you can see that it has one of the highest shares in all of the products. And in our last year of our manufacturing company, you can see that our profit has reached its highest peak, and the others in the scorecard also show a good response. And from this you can see that our product has a high market share and high market growth altogether, such as foils and surfboards are at its highest peak, so it's a successful product. And these are our supplies according to our demand. And in this you can see that our market share is 7.56%. It has changed by 7.56%, which is the highest in all the above. So it is a growing markets. As Tanya said, we have our suppliers are Kansas Inc. and in bicycle and skis, which provide us with moderate quality of products. And as for the falls and surfboards, we have chosen Hendrix for our suppliers as they provide one of the best qualities of raw materials. So these are the references that we took. So thank you, that is all. Any questions?